Hey, today we're talking about 3 tips to better understand interest payments. Welcome back. This week, we're going to do a Vince Lombardi. He won multiple championships, yet he still reminded his team, "Gentlemen, this is a football." You see, Mr. Lombardi was big on going back to the basis. So friends, this is interest. Extra money you pay at a certain rate to borrow someone else's money. Extra money you pay to delay paying back someone else's money. Extra money you pay that can be put into your pocket when your debts are gone. And don't you dare say it's impossible, because it isn't impossible. Each time money goes away from you and does not return more value back to you, you should be working a plan to stop that from happening. 2 considerations to keep interest from biting into your cash. The interest rate should be one of your considerations when prioritizing debt payoff. Length of the loan should be another consideration in your debt pay down prioritization plan. We discuss these considerations in my free debt relief workshop. If you're interested, just head over to my website. Click on the classes at the top. Choose free, then choose Debt Relief Workshop. It's that simple, and it won't cost you a dime. Small fluctuations in interest rates can make a big difference in how much interest you will pay over the life of a loan. Here's an article that discusses this with real-life examples. See the link below. It may be well worth your time and effort to call your creditors, every one of them, to request a reduction in your interest rate. Fear says, what if they won't? But what if they will? Go ahead, call and find out. In case you're wondering whether your credit score has anything to do with the interest rate you're being charged, read this article. Click on the link below. This article also discusses how to improve your credit score. Decide today that you are not going to allow interest to eat you alive. Get my free workshop. I also offer a deep dive program I've entitled Debt Relief and Budgeting Program. You will have lifetime access to this program. Once you've taken the program, you can teach it to your kids. Stop by my website to view the amazing benefits. Head over to my website, click on classes at the top, choose paid, then choose Debt Relief and Budgeting Program. It's that simple. If you'd like to be encouraged about your money and how you can make the most of your cash, stop by my website, scroll down, and sign up to receive my bi-weekly blog posts. If you have a specific area of money or budget concerns that you would like me to address, click the link in my blog at the website. As always, thank you for listening, watching, and participating. Your team at Dan the Budget Man. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time. If you work in accounting and are looking to be promoted, I'm about to offer individual classes any accountant can take to sharpen their skills in a variety of areas you can choose from. Just sign up to get your name on the waiting list.